So today, let's tackle about my topic. But before we start, let's have our prayer first. Good afternoon, class. How are you feeling today? Well, that's good to hear. Are there any absentees for today? Well, that's great. So before we start, let's have our classroom management first. So before we start our topic, let's have our motivation first. That's great. So uh, let's read first our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to express their understanding of why teaching is considered the noblest profession, reflect on their own reason for choosing the teaching profession, create a quotable quote that highlights the nobility of teaching. Teaching is called the noblest profession because it is the foundation of all profession. Every doctor, engineer, lawyer, or leader was taught by the teacher. Teacher help shape minds, build character, and inspire students to reach their goals. Teacher influence goes beyond the classroom. It affects how they see the student, see the world, and how they use their knowledge to help others. When you say I am convinced that I have chosen the novelist profession because teaching allows me to shape young minds, inspire values, and make a positive impact on the people lives. I am convinced that I have chosen the novelist profession. It means you understand teaching is not just a job, but a calling. A way to serve others and to make difference in society. Teacher requires patience, dedication, and love, and also desire to see others succeed. And next is, and so I commit therefore to become a teacher with passion, patience, and purpose to guide my student toward a brighter future. Shows that your promise is to give your best as a teacher. It is your pledge to become a positive example, to keep improving yourself, and always to teach with heart and integrity. This quote means teaching goes beyond academics. It molds character and dreams of learners. Teacher invest in people's growth, not just their knowledge, proving why teaching is a calling, not just a job. This quote emphasized that the best teacher go beyond lesson. They inspire students emotionally, morally, and leaving a lifelong impact.